And ano ang oras ngayon sa
7:30.
7:30ish, but it's like 8 minutes late.
Anyways, guys.
Hello, how are you guys? We're here with the rabbit.
Yes, and I'm with the dragon. Fire-breathing dragon.
Yep. And we're actually here with everyone.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Everyone, show yourselves!
Kuya ba?
Oh God. Kylo, Jiro, Kim, Racer. The other one, I don't know. Maybe he has a different group.
Pido. Pido.
Ta-da! Winston. Yeah, we're all here.
And we are
Horizon!
H-O-R-I-7 on!
Feeling ko kumakanta sila. Try natin.
Okay.
Feeling ko sa kanilang bahay, sumukanta sila. So, para warm up lang no live natin.
Alright.
Okay. Kim show me a girl, it's you my lucky.
H-O-R-I-7 on.
Hey!
Lucky.
Say what?
Let's
What?
turn.
Huh!
Lucky 7 on.
Let's go!
Lucky. Yes.
I'm
lucky.
yung mga tao siguro sa paligid ng anchors ngayon parang anong ginagawa niyo sa rooftop? Gumaganon. Yeah.
Yeah, we were actually.
We miss performing in front of a live audience. It's been a long time actually, right?
It has
been a long
super
time.
fun, like especially like the fan signs.
Yeah.
I can't believe that was like.
That was, yeah. Actually, I'm conflicted nga kung matagal na siya or kanina lang siya. Kasi parang bang, sometimes in my head, it's parang kahapon lang. Pero
Tas minsan naman,
parang last year pa ba yun, di ba?
Diba?
Pero this year lang pala siya.
Diba?
Kasi lagi din minamention ng anchors na they enjoyed fan signing events. I think it's one of the core memories as a lucky anchor.
Right.
Because it was lucky time. It was the era of lucky talaga.
Grabing lucky. Ano yung lucky ulit sa Tagalog?
Swerte
talaga. Swerte talaga mga gar.
Wow, we got 800 people in here right now.
Yes. Guys, we nag-practice nga kami for our concert.
Yeah, because in
Today.
exactly a month.
In exactly a month.
Do you have a month
It's
in
gotta be-
the day?
there it
Oh
is.
yeah.
I don't know if it's mirrored for you guys, but it says October 3.
Today is October 3, and then a month after this
November.
is November 3, which you all know what's gonna happen that day. It's going to be Day Tour Encore High.
Super exciting. And
Yeah.
it's crazy because like I feel like this concert is gonna be something that our anchors are gonna be so like almost proud of.
Yeah.
Right? Because like especially for the anchors that watched the first one, I feel like if they watch this second one, they're gonna be like, oh, they're gonna be
Yeah,
so
they're-
touched because
We're bringing something new to this concert for sure. That's something that we promise also ourselves. Kasi kahit kami ayaw din namin ng paulit-ulit yung mga pina-perform namin. Sometimes we also, it's not always that we're happy that we're performing the same songs.
Yeah.
But we're making sure talaga na this one is a new experience in itself. Kasi kahit kami, even maybe I don't know if you guys are, like tired of some songs repeating over and over again being performed.
Which is valid.
Yeah, which is valid. Like it's not a bad thing to have that thought. Kasi kahit kami as artists na may ganung kanta,
Right.
It's like burnout but for our ears. Kasi imagine, practice natin before i-release. Like,
Yeah.
not just hundreds of
Yeah,
times.
before
but
we
like,
actually release the song, we've probably heard it like hundreds of times.
yeah, that's
now.
why it's kind of hard for us to stream with you guys. It's like, I'm kind of tired of this song. Maybe let's listen to another song for the day.
Yeah.
So, ayun yung feeling ko, yun yung goal namin for this concert is to really bring almost everything, 99% everything new. Grabe, tingnan mo. Ngayon may nag-sit ups. So, buka mo, may makikita kayong mga bagay na...
Can we show it?
Maybe we should show it. Exposed.
Ala,
Oh no,
sorry.
yung stand natin. Okay, wait lang.
Yes, we are all kind of gearing up.
Yeah, we're
for the
kanya-kanyang pag-gear up para sa concert. That's why we're excited kasi I know it's like a lot of the we don't have that much new songs right now that are out, but you know,
Right now that are, but hey, the article came out today.
yeah, not just the article,
The
the
announcement.
thing.
that-
I didn't know it was gonna come out yesterday. It was just like,
Oh right,
it was just there.
right.
It was
We
just
were like,
there.
what?
I was like, it's out.
Because I thought
Kasi
they were gonna.
sabi nila parang
They
akala
kind
ko,
of leaked the
Yeah.
our little dance practice.
yeah, they didn't even
Which
ask
was-
us. Just kidding. They
we,
were
were,
like,
we were just okay.
what?
We were just as surprised as everyone else,
Yeah.
basically.
Kasi
Pero-
nakita na lang namin naka-upload na yung kasi pinapakita namin yung mga dance namin. Syempre to the higher ups para malaman nila kung ano yung nangyayari.
Yeah.
So I don't know, maybe, I thought it was just gonna be like that. Then I saw it was already online.
Right.
And I think it got good traction. I mean, the
Yeah.
anchors are liking it. Do you guys like it? Do
You guys like it? Cause did you guys see?
Kuya Vinci's
Nah,
like
nah. Good thing the one they posted was the part that
the angle, right? The camera
yeah,
angle.
the angle,
Didn't see your abs.
the angle, yeah, nah, that doesn't exist. It helped. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nakisama yung
Yung camera angle.
Camera angle.
But-
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw na, pero it na-announce na talaga article that we are going to release
Yeah.
a
I think it's official na talaga.
official
So we
album,
can really
which
talk.
we have been trying to cover up actually
Yeah.
for
The
quite
longest
some
time.
time.
I mean, Jiro has always been, spoiling it.
Yeah.
You know, he's already sa Billboard di ba?
Yeah, yeah, like
Nakita
Billboard,
natin, Billboard.
he was like-
When Billboard was, I was like, oh, there he goes. There he goes.
Oh! Yeah, so, but yeah, it is true. We will be releasing an album.
Uy, pakita mo muna yung
Wait,
butata mo! Kasi nag-reply si
Okay, ready?
Kuya Pablo.
Okay, from the top. 5, 6, 7. Butata! Hey! Yeah! Ano man ang respeto. Butata! Panis! Butata!
Wala nangyari. Grabe yung kilikili mo dun, ha? Like, slay. It was a slay. I was
Guys,
surprised.
TMI. Whose sando was that?
It's
Yep.
Vince's sando.
Of course it was mine.
That's it.
He doesn't own any sandals.
Yeah,
anymore.
like,
I was
no, I own.
Okay, this is actually mine too.
Yeah, because like all of my clothes are in the laundry right now, so yeah.
Tamad ka lang maglaba.
Kaya nga naglaba ako ngayon
Oo
eh.
nga. Ay, ito na yung time ulit na nag-freeze yung mga damit natin, di ba?
Oh,
Remember?
oo.
Sa dati nating dorm. Pag uwi namin, kasi first,
Yeah.
di ba, last year, it was our first year sa Korea. So, first time, except ikaw, na mag-winter. Eh, syempre, feeling ko ikaw din, hindi ka naman naglabas siguro
Yeah,
dati.
100%.
So, when we went home, our clothes were iced up.
It was
Para siyang
literally
freezer.
like when you touch it, like
Hard
nagiginaw talaga.
Hard
Kaya
talaga.
Ano ko din yung binoblower ko na lang din.
Binoblower mo?
Diba?
Oh my God.
Pero ngayon,
Kaya
buti-
pala yung ano natin, kuryente natin, pre, ano eh.
to the roof.
Through the roof na.
Pero
Through the-
ngayon meron na tayong heater.
Yeah.
Which was good.
May heater, tapos nag-microwave. Huh?
Huh?
Oo nga, may filter to.
Yeah.
I mean, white.
Hindi,
Okay.
hindi siya white kasi parang...
It's
wait
like
lang.
blur. We can change it.
Yeah, we
Cute
can
kaya?
change it. Bakit biglang ay? Cute ka naman, oh.
Kasi nahirapan kami sa lighting kanina.
Yeah.
So, boom, overexposure.
This is the best way to go. Oh, ito, ano to? Yeah, okay, we're back to normal.
We're back to normal exposure.
See, that looks boring. What do you guys like better?
Mas maganda yung isa. Mas
Diba?
maputi.
Mas
Mas maganda.
Hindi, mas bright lang.
Ha?
Normal na lang. Ayan, normal to.
Butata.
Ikaw.
Feeling ko lighting namin nagmumukha kaming letter pink. Letter pink?
Lucky.
Nagkukulay
Letter
pink. Letter pink. Kaya yun.
Ano kami?
Ha? Oh yeah. I mean, if you want to. Wait, hindi, ito na lang, para hindi natin basta nilalabas yung information. Let's see what they're curious about, and then maybe we can talk a little bit more about it.
Let's see.
Because, you know,
Let's see.
they're probably curious because they, so, especially those na nakapunta na sa first concert namin.
Diba?
Okay.
Paano daw mag-confess sa crush?
Wait lang. Ay, sige, pinutin natin. Nasaan
sabihin
yun?
mo, hello.
Ito.
Paano mag-confess sa
How,
crush?
how do,
First, you say, "Hi, my name is Marcus Sheridan Palad Cabayes. I'm 15 years old."
paano kayo dati nag-umamin sa crush? Meron umamin sa inyo sa crush?
Wala.
Siyempre.
Sa akin maamin.
Ano, paano? Totoong tao? I mean, ano? I mean, face to face. With words.
With words.
Oh,
I gave her
wow.
a flower.
Wow.
Gave her a flower.
Wow.
And I say, "Hey, you're really beautiful today." And I was 3 years old.
Oh, so that's where the confidence came from.
Wow, 3 years old?
Yeah,
Because
and
I could do that.
and I gave
I
her
could
all
do
my
that.
money.
Oh,
I-
wow.
I gave her.
You got money?
Yeah,
3 years
20
old?
pesos. Yeah, I gave her my 20 pesos.
I
I didn't eat the whole day, and then my mom found out
That's
that I
true
didn't
love.
eat
That's
the
true
whole day, and I told my mom, "No, I gave it to
Blank.
and she was like, "You're not gonna fall in love too hard."
You're not gonna fall in love and be hungry.
And be hungry.
You
and
need to choose one.
and broke. And
Oh my god, broke, hungry, and in love,
And in love.
at 3 years old.
Not good
Yeah,
mix.
That is one hell of a mix. I like that.
Yeah.
Ako parang chat-chat lang. ganun.
Ako kasi kapag
Chat lang.
ako kasi pag crush ko yung tao, parang nahulog agad.
Ala!
You are not the father!
O yung kumuha kaya kayo ng upuan.
Hindi, pero
Okay
yun
lang,
nga.
exercise.
Kasi feel ko masaya mahalin yung crush mo.
Lo. Grabe, mahal agad. Crush muna yung
Ay,
sa
ay,
akin.
ano,
Since nung
Ano
ko,
tanggalin?
nung varsity year ako, may mga, talagang mga, alam mo na.
Pero hindi ko ginawa yung mga crush ko.
Crush
Parang yun lang yung
Puro
feeling
crush
ko.
lang talaga.
Yun yung feeling ko. Na sarap siguro mahalin yung crush
Nakikinig
mo.
ba si Rister? Naka-earphone siya? Ay, hindi wala. Wala siya sinasabi. Pakita naman natin si Rister. Wala.
Pag may crush ka, paano ka nag-ano?
Dati, may nag-crush ako dati pero nahihiya ako.
Pero nakwento niya na mahilig siya sa happy crush. Kasi parang natutuwa siya na may crush siya. Pero,
ganun nga.
pero ngayon wala na siyang pake. Ngayon wala na siyang crush. Wala, ang crush niya na lang ay pagkain. Yun na lang.
As in, makikita mo si Rizzy naka...
Ay, alam ko crush ni Rister. Coke Zero.
True.
Every morning.
Every morning, every hour, every.
I also don't understand English nor the other language. So currently, I don't understand.
Oh, we can
a
make you
word,
understand.
you see.
What?
But not. And
Oh,
my
French!
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Comment vous vous appelez?
Je m'appelle Marcos.
Je m'appelle Vinci.
Je t'aime. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, I think so.
Je t'aime.
Monsieur.
Yes.
I should have
Tried
watched
our best.
Emily in Paris, bro. I should have watched it.
What is it? Emily Holmes?
Bisous.
Wait,
Bisous.
What is Holmes? Enola Holmes.
And
Is she French? I don't
That's
know.
British, bro. That's British.
Oh, it's British.
I mean, it's
Oh, my
Europe.
bad.
Okay, so
Okay, close
she,
enough.
the guy there, I think, got.
Ratatouille. Let's watch
Oh
Ratatouille.
yeah, Ratatouille.
I love the rat. Like ever since I watched Ratatouille, I suddenly wanted to have a pet rat. But try to.
Okay, try to grab something. Except I'm controlling the air. Whoa! See that worked.
Wow.
That worked. That worked.
I'm the rat.
I'm the rat.
I'm
I'm
the
the
new
rat. Bonjo.
Paano makamove?
Bizu.
Listen to Horizon.
Wait, let's find more questions to answer. This is fun.
It is.
TMI for today.
Hey.
Oh. I think alam na we know. Siyempre hindi namin sasabihin sa inyo. Kasi anong point pa? Pero alam na namin yung buong
Yeah.
ito buong boom.
Buong.
Ito na
Yun
lang.
na lang.
Huwag natin
Take-
sasabihin.
Yeah, do what you will with
Yung
that
buong
visual information.
So medyo na-imagine na namin like this is gonna be fun. The context is it's about the concert. We have the whole and it's gonna be fun. Kasi meron na kaming experience from... meron na kaming first concert, diba? So, meron na kaming pinagbasihan na gusto namin mag-improve from. So, I think this one is gonna be... I'm very excited about it.
Ayaw magbigay ng hint. I mean, that's the hint.
Sasayaw kami ng Five
Like-
Little Monkeys.
We got the whole
We got the
thing.
whole-
Tapos...
Tapos?
Tapos.
Pagkatas nito.
Tapos,
tapos ayos.
yun.
Ganda nun,
Tama,
diba?
tama.
Ganda ng plano, ganda.
Tapos
Okay.
dapat gumanto tayo.
Tapos
Oo.
dito.
Kasi di ba si ganto tapos si ganto gaganto. Tapos si ganto, tapos si ganto gaganto. Tapos si ganto, tapos may ganto.
Kasi
Tapos,
pupunta doon.
tapos boom, 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 boom. Tapos yung ganto.
Wala. Kaya, hintayin nyo.
Kaya mag-aabang na kayo.
Kaya
Get your tickets na!
bumili na kayo ng
Commercial
tickets.
Oh.
Hindi, tsaka ang special kasi din dito sa mga experience namin as concert makers. As concert performers, our concert are just once a year.
Right.
It's not like we have
Ka ba? Ba't ka tumatalon-talon?
We have like a routine.
it's not like we have tours all around
Right,
the
right, a
world.
tour.
That's something that we are hopeful for and we are working towards to. That's the goal. But right now what we have is a single concert for a year. And of course we're very grateful that we're allowed
I mean, just to have a concert in general
to
is
do
like
that.
big.
So this I don't know. This is just gonna be another all the regrets that I had from the past concert, which of course I had because it was just my first and I didn't know what to do like with everything. But now I think I've got things more to show
Yes,
for
of
me
course.
personally, and I think also with everyone.
Bye.
Basta pa tayong comments. Hello. Ang puti masyado nung text, hindi ko mabasa. Lagyan natin ng... Hindi ko mabasa. Sana.
Sana all nasa Pinas,
Pinas
next
next
month.
month.
Is it next month? Or are we going earlier than next month?
Maybe.
We'll know.
We'll never know. Do you guys have an individual song? Does that mean a solo?
Yeah.
We'll see.
We're gonna find out, guys.
Yeah. Do you have more questions about the concert? Please drop them now. We
At
might
the end of the day.
answer some because we're feeling generous today because it is only a month away. So of course we want to give you some inside details. The only select anchors will know. Only 916 right now anchors will know about this exclusive.
This is exclusive information right here.
Exclusive.
This is an exclusive.
Q&A. My album ba? Yes.
Yeah.
There is an album, so if you guys think
Yeah.
that we're only gonna
And
release a singular thing,
I'll repeat this again because Marcus, ever since you've left, I mean not left, but like have promote with IZX, they've been wondering if you're gonna be staying here. And yes, he is. He's here.
I am
He's present.
here. I'm
He
still
will
alive.
not leave. It's like it's like a side hustle.
Yes.
It's like
It's not,
in the morning you're doing this.
Yeah,
and
it's
then
like
at night-
it's like a part-time job.
Yeah, it's like a part-time.
but in a
Something
really
like-
really good way. In
yeah,
a really the
in
best
a,
way.
Yeah, in a fun way because
Mm-hmm.
you get to also be with other people.
For sure, right? So do not worry, guys.
Yeah,
I am
he's
still
not leaving.
a Horizon member.
Because people are really curious that you're gonna they really thought you were gonna leave. I'm like, did anyone
Not
say he
work.
was gonna leave? Because I didn't think so. I don't think there was anything that's said anywhere that you were going
That I
to
was gonna
leave.
leave.
Yeah, but they were thinking that, so I was like worried because
So
what
do
if they
not
think
worry.
we're gonna end?
걱정하지 마세요.
걱정하지 마세요.
Horizon is forever.
Horizon is 7 and it's in the spelling, so it wouldn't
So
make sense.
If we become 6 members,
yeah, it's
that's
just not
gonna
gonna
be
make sense.
awkward.
It's
So
not gonna make sense.
let's not do that.
It's not gonna be Horizon anymore then. It's gonna be
It's
another
just
name.
horrific.
It's gonna be what are the other names they had in mind?
Between
Between
Dream 7.
Yeah, Dream 7.
Chaser.
Oh, Dream 6 in this
Dream
case,
6,
yeah.
Chaser. Oh, is that a thing? Chaser. Chase.
Maybe.
Chase Atlantic.
I think there's something connected to dreams then. Kumkunda.
Hulaan nyo kung ano to.
Yoga mat.
Magyo-yoga kasi.
Ano to?
Magyo-yoga kasi.
Ay, yan na sila.
Ano, wala na to.
Sila
Pero
na-
ikwento kaya natin na nagsinungaling si Winston.
Ano
yung ganun, pre? Sa nahuli sila.
Ay,
Nahuli sila.
Lalaglag ba?
Ay,
Nahuli sila. Wala na, private.
Lumabas kasi sila.
Tumakas kasi kami.
Tumakas sila papunta lang sa
What's up with this?
kainan, sa restaurant.
Siyempre nagutom.
Tapos sinabi nila pumunta sila sa convenience store kahit restaurant naman din.
Ayun eh.
Uy, ikaw yung nakaisip na hindi na ako nagsalita. Hindi na ako nagsalita, ikaw na yun.
masama, ikaw ang mabuti.
Grabe may lines.
Siya
Hello,
yung ano,
guys.
sabi mo na, sabi niya, hindi. Wala.
Yan, that's the, that's
This
the
is
life.
our life.
This is the life
Of Horizon.
the life of a Filipino idol in South Korea.
Marcus, anong uniform?
Ah, kasi tumaas yung shadow. You know, weird.
Tumaas yung shadow.
Ayun!
Wow, okay, fixed it.
Okay.
Guys, wear whatever you want, but since it's Dator Anchor
Hi,
High,
it's
this is like, you know, we're classmates, so we should wear school uniform or anything related to school.
yeah. Like if you
Or
want to
just,
be a principal, you want to
know,
be a
wear a
teacher,
tie, just something like a coat.
you want to be ano pa man laman sa school? You want to be a student council?
You can be a pencil. If you want.
Yeah, a pencil is nice.
Yeah, just
Have you
dress-
tried being a pencil before?
I've not actually.
It's fire. Like
sounds
imagine
interesting though.
imagine having lead at the front.
want to be
Right?
And
Like
you get renewed every
imagine
day.
we have this segment where we actually call anchors up to stage,
Yeah.
and then there's just a pencil on
Yeah,
stage.
like a
that.
pencil on stage, and you're gonna be there. And you're gonna stay there
Yes.
forever.
Did we accidentally pin? Oh, we did.
Oh yeah,
not
we
pin.
because we asked someone.
Ah.
So, okay, let's not read first. Let's click and then answer.
Okay.
Hmm.
What are they doing in the back?
Okay, this one's easy. Fave food ng Horizon.
Cheese tonkatsu.
Exactly.
That is something.
Yun yung, ito, sasabihin na namin, it's the password of our Wi-Fi.
It is the password of our Wi-Fi.
It's the password of
So
our
if you
Wi-Fi.
manage to break into our dorm,
Yeah, which don't do that.
please do not.
Hajima sa'yo. Hajima.
Please do not. It's a very hypothetical situation.
Yep.
Which
We're not
is-
suggesting
we
it.
We're not.
It's not
yes.
good. Do not do
It's,
that.
You
Do
know the
not.
password. You know.
You're gonna know the password of the Wi-Fi only.
Only the
not
Wi-Fi.
of the whole thing.
Not the dorm itself. We're not gonna tell you the password of our dorm because
We're not.
for privacy and
Yep.
security. ML account reveal.
ML account. Oh
Is that
my
even?
God.
I don't think that's. I don't
Like a
think I should do that.
milliliter?
I'll show you like.
Guys, do you...
Not too lazy to open Mobile Legends.
Parang alam na ata nila yung ML account natin.
Really? I don't think.
Maybe not all. Maybe
Yeah,
some
maybe some.
managed to
Find it
find it, but
from the dark web.
yeah, from
Hi,
the
guys.
pits of dirt.
Okay, let's find another one. Oh no, mali.
Yung ID ko guys. 328983431.
Is that actually?
Yeah, that's the...
Wait, what?
You
Did you just reveal it?
Oh, well,
Yeah.
that's cool. So there's that, guys.
Laro tayo guys if you guys want to play with me.
Spoilers, a new album.
What's a good spoiler?
That an album is not just one song, right? That's a good spoiler.
Yeah.
As an album consists of not just one song.
There's so many.
Oh yeah,
Many
that's it.
songs.
Let's be simple with the answers. Genshin UID reveal. Oh,
I don't even-
It's
Yes, you're like AR 50 something. Huh?
You-
He's really good at Genshin.
Oo, gabi-gabi makikita ko naglalaro.
Uy, hindi na yung Genshin pre.
ZZZ na
Z, Z,
yan.
Z,
Ano ba yun?
Supernova.
Super.
May paborito naming laro ngayon yun. Ano, guys? Kami ni Vinci.
Dark Concept
Yep.
na ba 09s? Well, we don't know unless you come. So,
Ano daw?
dark concept na daw ba tayo?
Oo, susunugin namin sila.
Dark, magiging dark na.
Gagawin namin silang uling. We're gonna cook them. Tapos na ba kayo kumain?
Yes!
Kayo? Oo daw. MLDID reveal? Ay, hindi pala.
MLD ID.
We don't have MLD IDs.
This is my ID, Mike Wazowski.
One eye lang.
What
Hindi
I
nagre-renew
when
yung
I'm sleeping.
Ano pa? May nakakatakot bang part
Sa
sa
concert?
concert?
Ye-
Nakakatakot.
Kapag lumabas si Kiyos.
Grabe! Iyak na siya!
Si Jiro Lagi ako inaaway ni Jiro. Ang first, fight for
Guys, ang
my-
haba na ng buhok ko.
Fight for my
Okay lang yan.
Gusto nyo guys, gusto ko sana magpagupit eh.
Guys, dun daw sa
Kaso,
concert, magdala daw kayo ng
undercut gusto ko.
shaver.
Yes, ng
Tas-
gunting.
Ng gunting or shaver.
Gusto ko
Tapos,
magpa-undercut
magpapakalbo ka
guys.
na, no? Sa concert.
Kalbo?
Oo. Skinhead.
Ayoko.
Or fade.
I don't want that.
Pero ang kapalit daw sold out daw.
Oh.
Bro, palag. Palag. Guys, pag na-sold out yung ticket,
Kaya so na,
ticket,
G
guys.
kami, magkakalbo kami lahat.
Magpapakalbo ko. Magpapakalbo ko, seryoso.
Nang nose
Chincha,
hair.
chincha.
Nang nose
I'm
hair.
going to bald my hair
You're going to bald
if the tickets are sold out, bro.
Ako magbababald ako sa sobrang tuwa siguro. Pero hindi
Yes.
kasi naboto. Okay. Okay, how do I... Oh, here. Oh, okay. Lang. Close, no?
Saan ka makakakita ng
It's
idol na
already 9:05.
magpapakalbo sa concert?
Oh,
Exactly.
exactly. It's
Where
the
you ever gonna see that?
Only in Dayton.
Only, okay, we're probably not gonna do that,
Yeah.
but...
Lu.
Hello! Jeremy Melendres Batak joined! Hello po!
Sino yun?
Yung sa Horizon?
Di ba singer siya?
Sino yun? Kasama,
Tsaka
idol daw
dancer.
yun.
Magaling daw siya sumayaw, guys.
I can relate.
Parang ngayon nakita ko ngayong kilikili niya.
I'm a singer.
Yung sa butata.
Bakit mo lagi inaano yung kilikili niya?
Nino.
No need.
May armpit, ano yan? Fetish.
Armpit fetish.
No, I don't!
Huwag ka nang magpaluhan.
Why do you sound like soundboards? You just have like... When, if I press a button, you're gonna be like, wag ka na magpaliwanag. Wag ka na magpaliwanag. They have lines, bro. They are AI. They are ChatGPT.
ChatGPT mode.
Gusto ko makausap si ChatGPT in Konyo. Parang maangas.
Diba?
Nakita ko online. Like, yo. Did you eat
Umurong
some
luha ko
egg
nung
waffles?
na-notice ni Marcus.
Oh, let's test your Konyo levels. Do you know egg waffles? What was
Yes.
it? The orange... What's the...
Egg waffle.
Hindi ko yan.
Egg waffles.
Was it the orange waffle?
The orange circles?
Oh my gosh! So you really think those are egg waffles?
Are they not egg waffles?
I mean, they're squick. They're
They're egg though.
Quick, quick.
Yeah,
Oh my
I
god.
mean,
But they're not waffles.
they're not
So,
waffles.
that's the
I
egg
don't know. I don't know
waffles.
the egg waffle.
I mean, that's what
waffles,
they
I've
call
tried
it.
actual egg waffles.
Bugo.
They're like waffles, and like, you know how
Wait, ang
waffles
ganda.
are like square-ish shapes inside?
Yeah, yeah.
Instead, it's circle.
Oh.
And I don't even know if it's actual egg. It's not egg. It's just that it's circle. They called it an egg waffle. 'cause
Oh, but it's not.
Yeah, but it's just a regular waffle.
Balot masarap.
Based on the one that I actually tried.
Fave drink,
Balut
you guys.
with
We have.
dinosaur feet.
We have. I actually have it on my
Dinosaur
phone
food.
because whenever they ask, this is my phone.
That's your phone.
But it is. Okay, let me do this. You like an iced white choco drink. Am I right? I'm right.
Wait,
You-
so what are we talking about again?
The fave drinks.
Oh, fave drinks.
Someone asked
right,
fave drinks.
right, right.
Your fave drink?
Matcha.
Hey, I'm gonna get it. Ulaan ko nga eh. Pero yun yung sasabihin ko.
Oh, okay. okay.
Ikaw, Java chip.
Wow.
Oh.
How did you...
Ikaw, ice white choco din.
No.
Lo!
No.
Yun yung nilagay ka, wala ka nang magagawa.
No. It's not.
So what is it?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
I mean, that's his
Dargi.
second option.
Dargi
That's their
latte.
second
Dargi
That's
option.
our
latte.
second option. But like,
But,
Star
Oh no! My
Raise-
favorite now
In
is
like
ano?
any
Choco?
coffee brand.
Choco.
Vanilla, ano?
Tinan mo, di mo nga alam eh. Mas alam ko pa.
Diba?
Raster, iced americano. Simple.
Si Kim.
And
Si Kim Bro.
Kim
Ice
pomegranate.
Americ? Oh.
Ano sa
That's pomegranate.
Recommend any hero in Mobile Legends. I will do a maniac with it. Ling. And I want it to be like where it flies and then that has to be like the way to get a maniac. Anyway,
My hair is so bad. Oh my god.
guys, if we reach 1,000 views, we're gonna do something. I don't know.
We're gonna sing for you guys.
Okay, we'll sing for you. No, like we'll actually sing for you guys.
We can sing for you guys.
Yes, the duo. We are the
We are the Marchi.
March.
March.
Even though it's October.
We're gonna make it feel like March.
Oh yeah, what is our duo name? Are we just?
It's March.
Is it? This is it.
It's Vincus. No, that's not good. Vincus
Vincus.
sounds like a bad word.
Vincus.
I'm a Vincus.
I'm the victim. I'm the Vincus.
I'm the victim.
You're the Vincus.
Oh, Konyo duo.
Oh,
Well, not
right.
really Konyo.
But sometimes you can actually.
I can
You
do
are
it
actually.
if someone.
No, but like not even forced. Like sometimes you actually
Yeah,
are kind of.
sometimes. Kasi feeling ko mas madali din i-explain. Hindi,
Like in
Taglish.
English.
Pero hindi naman ako Konyo. I'm down with the Taglish.
Yeah, honestly, me too. I think it's come to the point that I'm also.
Your sister though.
Oh, my sister.
She's Konyo, right?
Yeah, I would think I
She's
would.
Konyo.
Yeah, she's good at Tagalog, but if you actually hear her speak Taglish,
Maybe with her friend.
yeah, with her friends, like, do you want to grab dito?
Ah,
sa-"
yeah.
Like,
That's the real Konyo.
Yeah, that's like.
Because
the-
we do
the
Taglish.
Yeah,
we don't do
Taglish.
Konyo naman.
Ate, I love you. If you're watching this, there's no problem with that.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. You're beautiful.
We love Konyos.
Yes,
And the non-Konyos. And the non-Konyos.
and the non-Konyos as well.
Yeah.
Oh, Yapper duo. We are the Yapper.
Oh,
duo.
yeah, I like that.
We are the Yapper. duo.
We love yapping. Because look at us talking so much when there's someone in the center, just being like,
Yeah, just existing.
tapos kami, dadala kami ng dada, pero siya, oh my God. Ay, nahulog-tulog. Siya nakaganon kami, dada. Yep, that's reality.
Ayos
Sam-
lang.
Ayos lang.
Sa inyong magkakapatid, walang konyo.
Sa amin, wala.
They are, right?
No.
Oh, really? Okay.
I mean, siguro yung sister ko nga din, yung pinakamatanda, is the most
The closest.
But kami nung younger na, we just speak in Tagalog. But if-
Tagalog.
But yeah, if someone was to point a weapon
Paano ba
at
maging
us,
konyo? Hindi ako, paano ba?
Yeah, ano?
basta you have to.
Yeah, can you say, "Hey Kuya, can I have that kwek kwek?"
Yeah.
Like that.
Hey kuya, can I have that kwek kwek?
Magkano po yan, Kuya?
Ba't Tagalog hindi sanay?
Ito, hindi lang yan, pero sasabihin mo talaga, let's make tawid-tawid to the other side.
Okay,
Ang sabi-
let's make tawid-tawid to the other side.
Yeah. But if it's in Taglish, sabi
To
mo
the
lang,
other side.
tawid tayo sa highway. Tawid
Let's
tayo
make-
sa road.
Let's
Like,
to it.
kumbaga,
Pero pag Konyo, as in parang,
Hey Kuya,
It's
magkano
like-
yung,
shortcut niya, parang,
biglang what? There's a Tagalog there?
magkano yung transformation?
Transportation. Yeah, sa jeepney.
Pero mahirap na actually ngayon.
Yeah, it is hard.
Yeah, it's very. Well, I saw this TikTok like, Kuya, like it's the only thing I remember.
guys,
What was it?
Like it's
It was
like
just Kuya?
James Reid and Coco Martin.
magugulat
It's like an
kayo.
actual movie
It's like
line?
yeah, it's like he's like,
Ah.
Kuya, why are you ignoring me, Kuya? Ba't
Ah.
mo alam mo kung ba't di kita pinapansin? Kasi English ka ng English. Di kita maintindihan.
Ay, napanood din ako ng Coco Martin kagabi.
Yeah.
Pati sila ni Tony Gonzaga. Yung social media. And Coco Martin was like, social media. Social like, social media. Social media. No, kahit i-break over mo pa yan, hindi mo matatawa. Tawan-tawa ako kagabi. Habang nag-skincare ako, naka-loop lang yung TikTok.
Yes, kumain na po kami.
Ako guys, kinain ko lang is
What did you eat?
1 cup of coffee and
Wow.
they
Chocolate.
call it chocolate pang.
Oh, 진짜? Oh, I guessed it.
Yeah,
Chocolate.
chocolate pang. It's bread, bro.
Oh, someone said they're learning Filipino for you, Kyle.
Oh really?
Can you teach them a Filipino word that you think they don't know? Like,
Okay. Said, sabihin nyo guys, mahal ko kayo.
mahal ko kayo means I love you.
I love
Why
you.
did I stutter?
I love you all, right? Maybe.
Oh yeah. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Yeah. Why did I stutter when I said that? Parang tuloy hindi ako Pinoy. Hindi, Pinoy.
Tapos, ano ba ba? Maging magkaibigan tayo.
Let's be friends. Maging magkaibigan tayo. Slowly.
Maging magkaibigan tayo.
Let's be friends.
Like, 친구.
우리 친구하자.
친구하자.
Maybe.
Ano pa ba?
Kaya nga, ayaw niya nga umupo eh. Umupo ka daw, Kylie. Ito. If you want. Asan po si Jeremy? Jeremy and Winston are wrestling right now. Actually, ano na namin, tapos na yung rehearsals namin. So, nag-chill-chill lang kami. And gusto naming we just, update you guys about the month away concert. Kahit masungit kayo sa BGC, idol ko pa din kayo. Ah, hindi na ba tayo sa BGC?
Oh, 진짜?
Baka dun sa
BGC.
Samsung event.
Maybe.
Mas sunod ba tayo dun sa Samsung event?
I don't think so. I think we were very friendly.
BGC.
Bumunta lang ako doon pero family ko yung kasama ko. Horror stories. Uy, Kim, oo nga pala kasi Halloween, baka may horror story ka dyang baon.
Guys, nga pala, abangan niyo yung kasi na-reveal na sa sa X yung di ba? Yung namin.
Oh yeah?
Yung episode namin ni Rayster.
Huh? Huh? Ah?
Yeah. Abangan niyo lang guys, abangan niyo.
No. But it is, nakakita ko nga yung ibang.
Kasi na-release dun. May nag-picture. Matagal pa yan.
Wala pa daw. Ito may wala pa. Wait namin yan. Just casually said it. I
Ipakita
was like,
ko
what?
Tingnan niyo pre. Talo si Winston.
Okay, I'll be the referee.
Ganyan sila, guys.
Stop it! 싸우지 마.
Kapoy! Kapoy daw, kapoy. Pagod na daw, pagod.
Talo si Winston.
Kapoy man, oy. Kami guys, kapoy na kaayo. For preparing our concert. Kapoy. Sobrang kapoy. Kapoy means pagod. Kasi, dahil
That's
sa preparation.
Part of their workout,
Yeah.
wrestling. Rayster is sitting like this right now.
Rayster is practicing
Something.
something.
Guys, do you want us?
Do you want?
What if this is theoretical? What if we would have subunit stages? Who would you guys want to see match up together? Do you guys suggestions? Because we can. Is that cheese clean? It is.
Keep
Masay.
update. Sa'yo, Vinci, P-pop or ano talaga? Yung gusto mo?
Naalin.
Yung makapag-sama natin.
Kahit ano. Siyempre. Basta.
Pero sino yung gusto nyo, guys? Or maghula na kayo? Feel ko meron na eh.
2K daw!
Feel ko meron na.
Girl, I
Vinster?
need a girl.
Is that's Vinci and Racer, right? That's Kimster is Kim and Racer. Oh, they're giving. So nagtatanong kasi ako kung ano yung mga subunit nilang gustong makita sa concert. So lots are saying about Kim and Racer. There's Vinci and Racer. Puro Racer ah. Yung iba wala na. 2K. There's 2K as well.
Yung line daw.
09.
Oh, nine.
Mangne line. Mangne line otte.
Let's go.
Mangne line. Mangne line otte.
Uy, ano daw sa inyo?
Ano? Whistling.
Wrestling.
Oh, magre-wrestling
for concert.
sila, dalawa. Tapos yung isa referee. Katok. Sino katok?
Kaikus daw, sabi.
Ah, puro racer ah. Kimchi, Kim and Vinci. 09s. Kimchi as well. Okay, we will write them down. Isulat mo na lang.
Okay, I will
Okay,
write.
screenshot mo na lang sa phone mo ngayon. Yung mga sinasabi nila. Para titingnan namin kung ano yung pinakamadami and okay, gagawin namin. Or isa-suggest namin.
Oo na.
Yin Yang Duo. That's ours, right?
Yeah, that's us.
Please, kalma. Totoro. That's
Me and
Jiro and
Gatolo.
Raster.
Racer.
V's. Oh, V's. Kala ko V'ster. So, 09s. Oh. 09s.
Oh, nine.
Dati mo na.
Tokiji?
That's me
That's
and
you and
Kuya Kyle.
Ah, kaya pala to.
G. That's akala ko si Jiro.
Yeah.
Wait lang.
Ako din nung una.
Okay. Wait, ano yung pangalan pag si Winston?
Winster.
Oh, ano, parang walang Winster. Like that, huh? That sounds weird.
Wala
Winster? That sounds kind of weird. Sounds like a drink.
Meron to.
Like, I want a Winster.
Give me a bottle of Winston.
Give me a Winster melon. Bermuda Triangle. Vinci and Winston. Oh. Someone says Gento, 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 Gento. We did Gento in our first concert. Yeah.
Titignan ko.
May ginagawa
Ano
ngayon
daw?
si
Kingston.
Kingston. Ano, what's your thoughts, Raster, sa... Punta ka dito. Paliwa. What's your thoughts on Winster? Because that's the first time I've heard of that.
Winter.
Hindi, anong thoughts mo? Like, hindi
Malamig.
Is it a yay or a nay?
Winster, malamig.
Parang ayaw niya.
Anong malamig mo?
Pwede naman, pero kailangan kang bayaran. Magkano para bayaran ka?
1 million.
Wow. 10,000.
Amazing.
Barda Duo, who's that?
Kyler and me.
Kami.
Kasi lagi nga silang nag... saw, keso.
Sausa.
Balagbag.
Balibag?
Balagbag.
Si Ian Veneras.
Hala, oo.
Alam mo yun, nagsiguro.
Nakita ko yun na
I keep seeing clips of him doing like...
papapicture tapos
Yeah.
papaganon.
Like example, I'm an anchor and you're Ian Veneracion. You would just lift me and like turn me around. Babalik na rin mo.
Siya na.
Nakita ko yung clips. Ang funny. Ayoko mabalik.
Gaganon eh.
Baka sumakit yung chan ko.
Parang katulad nung kay Gia.
We can do that. Ay, di ba kaya mo siya? Kay! Wait! Balik na rin mo si Winston. Ipakita natin. Okay, Ian Veneracion. Si... Oh my God!
Dapat yung ano nyo, ay, babalik ka.
Oo nga, go! Wait, gusto niyo ba isa? One more? Dapat makisama ka.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wow!
Pero ang sakit, nakalimutan ko ni Jiro.
Ouch.
Bakla. Ang galing ni Jiro.
Stroller duo?
So strong.
Who is stroller duo?
I don't know.
May stroller?
Baka babe. Sila. Oh, nice.
Autos tayo eh.
No oras na. Mga 9:30 na pala.
Autos kami.
Kasi February.
Ang galing. Ngayon ko lang narinig.
Kaya stroller?
Hindi, autos. Autos.
Kaichi! Kaichi!
Kaichi. Vinci.
Parang lychee. Cup duo. Ooh.
Do?
Because we wearing caps. I actually have the same cap. But like bigger letters.
Pareho tayo.
Kyler, do it.
Depunim.
Gusto daw nila ng Kyler Depunim do it.
Depunim do it.
Oh my god, I
Maja,
like
Maja.
that idea. I'm going to write that down. And I'm gonna be like, Depunim.
Depunim.
우리 앵커들. They want to see you on stage with Kyler. Actually, the visuals are on par.
Yeah.
Like, it's there. But who's taller? Depunim, right?
Depunim.
Depunim is so tall. He's so tall.
대표님 너무 잘생겼어요.
맞아.
우리 똑같아.
Yeah, slay.
Ang galing. Dito ka rin.
So Vinci, huh? Vinci and Kyler, please do AI.
AI mo.
AI hug through. The hug you.
No, bro. Hell
Why?
no.
Why? Let's do
Like-
it now.
like-
Aak nyo lang na parang nag... Yan.
Why are you so weird about it?
Yeah, I saw it on.
Oh my gosh, what? We were so
TK.
believable. Let's do it again. Wait, we're
Like-
so believable. Wait, what? It looks so good. We're so good, bro. We can get away with it. We can get away with it. We can be like, we're not real.
I think there's one.
Maglagay tayo ng filter para mas mukhang totoo.
Eh.
Wait.
Wow.
Kayo naman para magbati na kayo. Oh. Kayo naman yung mag-AI hug.
Wala.
Go. Parang hindi eh. Parang sinakting.
Hindi naman kasi may mga ibang AI na gumagano lang eh.
Smooth lang.
Namigisay!
Okay, alam ko marami akong nakita gusto nila O9. So
Go.
O9 is AI hug.
Wow.
O9 is AI hug. Okay, ito. Wait, ready. Okay. Okay, AI group hug. What?
Paano yun?
AI group hug.
Magkaganon lang tayo.
Oh, okay. Ngiti muna tayo. 5, 6, 7.
Nakukuryente tayo.
Oh, si Jason. Wait, that was so fun. Next time we're gonna do that on somewhere. We're gonna be like, bro, let's do our hug. And we're gonna... What's happening?
Ba't nanginginig?
It's
Kasi
the
ano
AI
yung
brain.
AI kasi.
Ganun kasi talaga
like,
yan.
ano yun, like
Isolation.
na-edit. Oo.
Isolation.
Kasi picture lang talaga siya ang dalawang tao, tapos nag-hug sila.
Yes, tawag doon ay keyframe. Keyframing.
Keyframing.
Keyframing?
Hindi naman, magkunwari
Thank you for the rose. Iba yun.
Thank you for the rose!
Sige, sa concert AI group hug. Gawin natin. Sa AI concert. Sa concert, AI group hug.
Yeah, sige,
We can
sige.
do it, we can do it.
Yeah, I group hug sa
We're gonna
condo.
be like, we are alright. Welcome to the... Lowbat na kami.
Wala.
No.
Hindi, as persons. As people of the human
Napagod
earth.
kasi tayo kasi dami tayong sinasayaw.
Kaya nga eh.
Dami tayong pinaktis
Yeah.
ngayon. You're not tired.
Pero okay lang guys, kasi para sa inyo din naman yun.
For you, for us, and for our families and our friends and the whole earth.
Universe.
And what more planets do you want?
Gusto ko ng Saturn. Wow.
Wow. Okay, okay. Ngayon, simula ngayon, no laughing challenge. Tapos bawal mag-English, dapat Tagalog lang. Tapos yung magtatagalog ay pipingutin ang ilong.
Mag-English?
Ay, oo, tama kayo.
Mag-English.
Oo, tama. Simula ngayon, yan.
Bawal ng Bisaya.
Bawal kahit ano, Tagalog muna tayo. Kasi tayo ay mga Pinoy.
Tayo
At
ay mga Pilipino.
dapat tayo ay
Nakasalukuyan naninirahan dito sa Korea.
tama.
Aming mga kababayan, kamusta ang iyong gabi?
Bawal tumawa, kaya ngayon ay pipingutin ang ilong. Bawal tumawa.
Sailong.
Oo, tumawa ka din.
Lan, tumama ako?
Oo,
Merong-
tumawa ka din.
Mayroong isang tao na nagsabi na para daw tayong kukuhanin ng langit.
Dahil sa ating...
Dahil sa ating filter.
Oh, wow, bro! That was so...
Tumama ka rin.
Mahirap pala ang larong ito.
Mahirap talaga. Ako'y
Ano?
Ako'y nanginginig sa
Ako'y
hirap.
nabibighani sa iyong mukha.
Oh,
Paano
ngumiti
mo
ka.
nasabi?
Bawal ngumiti.
Sabi tawa lang ah.
Hindi, yun din.
Ay, well, okay.
Lo! Hindi yung Tagalog. Yung sinabi mo. Kaya ngayon, kami ay magsisimula ng maglaho. Kasi, alam
Kami ay
nyo ba
kinukuha na
na ngayon ay Oktubre 3 ng, paano sabihin yung taon?
merong isang tao na nagsabi
Ng
at
dalawa.
nagtanong, nasaan daw ang isang nating membro na si Kim Hwat Nang
Si Kim Hwat Nang.
ay umuwi na.
Talaga?
Hindi pa.
Ata.
Grabe na siya.
Nasa Silya ba yun?
Nasa ano siya,
Pre, upuan.
Ay.
Tumawa ka.
Ay.
Nasaan ang ating membro? Membro?
siya ay
Membro.
nasa
Nasaan
ano,
ang ating membro?
nasa
Silid.
kantahan.
Merong isang nagsabi na kakantahan daw natin sila. Pero
Ayun,
baka
silid
nakakalimutan
kantahan, guys.
ninyo ay kanina nung sinabi namin iyan
Ay,
ay
ano?
kailangan makakuha
Kami.
ng 100 ay 1,000
Manonood.
manonood. At ngayon ay siyam.
Sasaksihan natin.
Ngayon ay
At pupunta tayo
4:20.
kasama ang ating helicopter.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Siyam, 10, 11, 12.
Natitira na lang ay 30.
30 manonood
At
lamang.
tayo ay
ang kailangan
magpapatuloy sa video okay.
sa pagkakanta.
Sa tama.
Tama.
Video. Not video.
Kaya kung ako sa inyo ay ipakita nyo na to sa mga pamilya ninyo o sa mga kaibigan ninyo
Lola.
para mapakita
Bakit
ng
kayo
ibang
nagsasalita?
tao ang itong
Para ka daw ano,
Google.
Google. Marcus.
Okay, ipakita daw ang mga panga. 1, 2, 3.
May hindi umiinom.
Patay siya.
Ngayon kami ay nagbabalik at malapit na talaga tayong makaabot sa 1,000 manonood at magpakailanman tayong mag...
kaya lamang
Oh!
siyam na manonood na lang.
Ayan na!
Ang kulang, dalawa!
Wow! Sige If
Hindi.
the wind...
Hindi, wait. Hindi Tagalog yun.
Ay,
Sabi
tama.
mo.
Kung ang mundo'y matatapos, ako'y mamamatay, nakangiti.
Oh,
Pero
susunod,
dahil
2,000
dahil 1,000 manonood naman lamang ang mga nanonood ngayong sa iyong itigil na ba natin ang itong laro?
Tama!
Ako'y nahihirapan na!
Yeah, we are back.
Okay, guys, come on, let's sing. What should we sing?
If the world
Ang galing ko dun mag-translate.
Bro, that was like the hardest thing I've
That
ever
was
done
on the
in my
spot.
life.
But I loved it. It was very high stakes.
It was really high stakes.
I'm surprised at that.
Okay.
You got it!
Yeah.
You were saying manonood.
Man-
You were
that's
saying
like-
miembro.
I was saying words I didn't even know.
You
That was
knew.
in my vocabulary.
It was inside of you all along, kid.
My Pinoy heart has
Katabing.
grown.
Majayo. Yes, love the Tagalog. Oh, yan na. Ala, bumalik sa hindi 1,000. Bumalik!
Okay. Ay, bumalik na naman.
Bumalik!
Okay.
Wala.
Ayan na. Okay, so
Tama, dyan lang
matutuloy
kayo.
naman,
Dyan lang
matutuloy na
kayo.
namin ang aming kantahan.
Ang aming ending.
Bumalik na naman sa 1,000. Ay, 100.
Siyam na.
Tama ba yan?
Yes! Okay. Sige,
So,
kakanta na kami.
ngayon kasama na po namin ang bilis. Ang ipapakita ko, ang bilis.
Gets.
Oh, wow.
Nakita niya si Pacquiao.
Nakita na,
Yeah.
na-
Nakita niya si Pacquiao.
Pumunta siya.
nakita na ni Pakita Bilis si Manny Pacquiao.
At himala,
Wow, natuwa ka dyan. Nagtatagalog ka pa rin.
Nakipagsapakan siya kay Manny Pacquiao.
At siya ay natalo.
At siya ay kumanta ng kanta ni Manny Pacquiao.
Anong gusto niyong kanta ba?
it's working.
Ay, hindi.
Five Little Monkeys.
Wala
Bro.
naman yun uli. Ayoko na. Ayoko na ng Five Little Monkeys.
Five little monkeys, Humpty Dumpty.
Okay, ito na. Magsisimula na talaga kami. Okay, mic check. Nasaan yung mic? Ito. Singing? I don't know that. Do you know that song?
tilasing sa museong di maluluma. Pinipili kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna keep you like an anchor all my life. Not this one. I want to do something else.
How about... Do they have anything
Do
they
you
want?
guys want to? What should we sing? I'm not good at singing. Sa nag-comment si Kaya Angel.
Hello po! Long time no see.
We miss you.
Kaya?
Ate Angela.
Oh, we watched
miss ka
Walang
namin.
Biroan.
Ang ganda ng Walang Biroan.
Yeah, we liked it.
I like the walang biroan.
Maganda yun.
I'm the first one who watched it.
Walang biroan. Kasi ikaw laman ng puso't isip ko.
Wow.
Saya, nagtagpo.
Ay, pinagtagpo.
Walang biro.
Like this.
Yeah.
Like it. Slay.
Okay. You pick out.
Okay. How about some Billie Eilish?
I like that. Oh.
Do you guys like Billie Eilish? Small
should.
girl.
I don't know that sound.
It's rainy day? Oh yeah, we did the cover of that. But you did the piano.
I did the piano.
Okay, we can do rainy day for our warm up. Okay,
Sure,
we can if we can find a karaoke right now.
Palitan daw natin yung filter natin, guys.
Ay,
sige.
Ang sakit daw sa mata.
Sorry.
I-off na. Kasi kanina pa to ng AI.
Masyado
ano eh.
kaming na-immerse.
Yes.
Oh. I actually want to go to the restroom first because I feel like I can't hold it anymore.
Sure, you should go to the
Okay.
restroom and
Oh my gosh, so
I'm gonna warm up. Guys, we're gonna sing for like maybe just 20 minutes just because we don't want to break any promises. Although it is kind of like going like from 900 to 1,000. But it doesn't matter because we reached it anyway, so we're gonna do it. And also, please share it to your friends because we're gonna sing for like the first time. Like we're gonna do a proper karaoke thing. And we have a backup dancer as well. This is like a big moment. So tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your lola, tell your anyone that we are literally live on Instagram singing. Okay, so what song should we sing? We're gonna wait for our leader because I'm gonna duet with our leader.
왔어요.
Is your mic working already?
Oh. Hey, hey, hey. Hello, hello, hello. Can you find it?
I couldn't find it.
Renid.
You already told everyone, good job. Guys, by the way, hindi namin makita lahat ng comments kasi super bilis niya.
Oh? Ani?
We can just sing along with it.
Yeah, we can sing along with it. Wow, thumbnail. Okay, you can do the first part.
가지 말라고 널 불러보지만 이 비가 다시 그치고 나면 이대로 널 잊을 수 있을까 보고 싶었어 네가 오기만을 기다릴 텐데 비가 와 비가 내려와 네가 그리워 또 그리워 네가 와 아픔은 뜨거웠어 내게 돌아오려고 너를 사랑한다고 It's rainy day oh.
Wow!
Good warm up.
Are you guys ready?
For the next challenge.
For the next battle.
I need water too.
Which one do you want to do first?
You can go. Choose one, and I'll be back, and we will buy.
Okay.
Pala. Sumayaw sa muna drop version.
That'd be cool.
We're just gonna do one song, and we're gonna end the live.
Okay, that sounds good.
So let's just do one
Do you want
last
to do this one?
Oh, I'm fine with that.
Okay. Or this one?
Isn't that?
Yeah. I forgot how it goes. Okay, but it's okay. Okay. You know what I'm scared of? Is we're gonna get copyright striked. So.
Really? I don't think so, because it's an instrumental.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't think so. What? Some water? Birds of a feather? Stand up. I haven't tried that. Hey, hey.
I'll sing the verse. I like that one.
I like that. I
Yeah.
like that. I like
That's
that.
nice. I hope you guys liked it.
Yeah, it was so nice blending.
Yeah, that was
with
like
you
the
guys.
first time we
With
kind of
me.
did that.
Yeah, I think so.
That's nice. Anyway, everyone sleep well.
Sleep well, prepare well for the month ahead, and don't forget to enroll. Don't forget to enroll.
Correct.
And it doesn't matter if you're gonna enroll a day before, a week before, on the day itself. That's possible, right?
I think so. I hope.
Or maybe now. You want it now, you want it later. Anytime from today until November 3, get enrolled. Get enrolled, get involved, and go to Day Tour Anchor High.
Correct.
Good night.
Night, guys.
Thank you. See you soon. See you soon. Ay!
There's like-
gusto niyo ba mag-bye? Gusto niyo ba makita? Okay. Mag-screenshot muna tayo.
There's like only 4 of us left.
Oh yeah,
but-
because some are doing their own stuff, practicing as well. So let's, Racer can hear us. Racer, break. Screenshot. Screenshot.
아쉬워. They couldn't
Oh.
hear us properly
진짜?
because the music was too high.
Should we do another one?
I think we should do one last after a screenshot. We'll do one last.
Okay. They're like, okay, let's go
Okay,
back.
no. We
Well,
screenshot. We screenshot.
Oh yeah, we still need screenshot. And then after the last song,
We end it.
we end it. Let's do.
Can we do heart? Is it
Oh yeah,
possible?
I think so. Wow! And let's do 11, 3.
11-3.
November 3.
Ah, you're right.
Oh wow, that's amazing. We can do
Whoa,
this.
I just realized. Good job.
November 3.
Guys, we'll sing one last.
One last?
Because
'Cause they
it's-
couldn't hear it?
Because they couldn't hear.
Talaga ba? Or
properly.
are they tripping?
I don't know. I just saw one comment that said sayang ang lakas daw ng audio of the song.
But it's true. The music is good.
Oh, you heard it?
All right. Well, you open your iPad. Let's do this one last time.
What? Ano ba? It's hard. It's hard to find the last song to sing. Do you want some chapel round? It's hard. July. Oh, do you know All I Want?
No.
You don't.
We can do another Billie Eilish song.
Which one?
The I Don't Wanna Be You Anymore.
Okay.
You know that one?
Okay. I'm scared.
Okay, wait. Let's see.
This one? I'm scared.
I think this one, but we have to check the audio first.
Okay.
Which this is fine.
If you're honest, tell the mirror
jazzy.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Bro, I couldn't find the key at the first part.
Yeah, it was hard. It was
It's
hard.
so hard to find it. Okay, is
It's
it better now, guys?
Was that
was that better
better?
than the first one?
Someone saying hala. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Is the audio better? Because we kind of toned it down.
Yeah.
Anyways, hopefully it was better.
Yeah.
No one's saying anything, so.
Yeah. They were like, that was okay. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Sleep well.
Isa pa daw. Aw, thank you. We will perform more.
Yes, we
In
will.
the, in the coming month. In the coming month.
Exactly.
So please, yeah, be there.
Correct. Bye, guys.
Bye bye. Thank you. One a cappella. Okay. What can we sing a cappella? Because this is easier. We can do any key we want.
Right.
You can do it. What song do you feel like? Maybe you should do the Museo.
Museo? But there's already a cover of that. We can listen to it at any time.
Okay.
What's the song that we haven't sang yet?
I'm thinking It Will Rain. Do you like It Will Rain? Do you know that?
If you ever leave me, baby. Okay.
Oh, should we do that? A cappella lang. Or the
Yeah.
That's too high though. That's very high.
It is very high.
Let's just end the song with an a cappella. That's it. Because we just saw one last comment, they said a cappella, and we're like, okay, we never done that. Palagi. No.
Palagi na tumacho.
Wait, what's Creed?
Palagi ng tempo macho.
Rhythm iba.
Together,
Do we want to end it with Soya So or not? Let's end it with a bang. Okay. Okay. Wait, I'm thinking right now. I'm like thinking of a good one. Wait, why my mind's blank? I just want to end it nice. Okay, Lay Me Down.
Is it the... How does it go? Is it Daniel Caesar?
No, that's Sam Smith, bro. It's Sam Smith.
Okay.
Can I lay by your side next to you?
Yeah.
That was
something
I was shocked.
I would have never done.
Okay, now your turn.
Um,
Why are we doing this ourselves? But I love it.
Bro, acapella, I just realized acapella is much harder than
Really?
when there's karaoke.
Well, that was hard. Thank you. Is that the one? Ayun yung museo?
Yeah.
Ah. Yun lang. Yun
Are you
lang.
guys satisfied?
Yeah, I think they are. We'll miss you guys.
Good night. Everyone sleep because it's actually...
Bitin pa rin. Okay, next time
Next
magkakaraoke
time
live talaga tayo.
we'll do karaoke time.
Yeah, actual karaoke time because this was just a thing.
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye guys.